What's going on, my Weld 2 family? Today we have a special guest, Jeffrey Hughes. He is director for Boilermakers Union. He's going to test out our students right now. He's going to gather them up, tell them about the project that's going to go on in Atlanta, Georgia. So let's go see what's going on.
How you doing? Jeffrey Hughes with the Boilermakers International here down in Houston, Texas, South Coast Welding Academy, testing graduated students. Upcoming jobs we got posted all over the country, Alabama, Houston area, Illinois, Chicago, New York, all over. We're looking for certified tube welders, plate welders, MIG welders. Interested, hit South Coast Welding Academy up. I'll be stopping in every often for graduated students for testing for upcoming jobs.